Welcome back to my channel Visit World. Today I will tell you something about Farmer Bill in 2020. Introduction. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was a beautiful slogan given by Lal Bahadur Shastri. It was given by him in the honor of farmers and soldiers for their contribution to the nation. The farmers are the backbone of India. They do a lot of hard work and feed everyone in the nation. The schemes and programs were launched by the government are of greater importance to the farmers. Various programs and schemes need to be launched to give a better life to the farmers and the height of the agriculture sector. What is the Farmer Bill 2020? The launching of Farmer Bill in the medium is the medium of transform the agriculture sector. A set of three acts constitute the Farmer Bill 2020 and were passed in the monsoon session of the Parliament in 2020. The bills were passed first by the Lok Sabha on 17 September 2020, further by the Raj Sabha on 20 September 2020. The President finally gave his assent to the Farmer Bill on 27 September 2020. The three bills were that form the Farmer Bills can be stated as the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, the Farmers Employment and Production Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service Act 2020, Essential Commodity Amendment Act 2020. What is the purpose of introducing Farm Bill 2020? Agriculture play an important role in strengthening the economy of India. Most of the people in our country live in village and earn their living by practicing farming. The system of zamindari was prevalent after India got independence from British rule. The farmers used to sell agriculture product to the zamindar or landlord. They used to pay very less to the farmers. Many times it happened that the farmers took money as a loan from the landlords and in return they have to pay hefty interest. The zamindari system was greatly a form of exploiting the farmers. The farmers were subject to injustice. Further, after the landlord system was abolished by the government introduced new farming procedure. The APMC, Agriculture Produce Market Committee or mandi, set by the government for selling the agriculture produce. It was set to benefit the farmers, but the scenario was something else. The middlemen retailers start making money in his provision. They used to buy the product at the low rate from the farmers and sold them to the trader at the high prices. Farmers received very less money after selling the products, and there it can be said that the provision was not implemented well and was not benefited to the farmers. The government has introduced the new farm bill to put these improper activity to an end, thereby benefiting the farmers. Reason for protesting against farm bill. Introduction of Farmer Bill 2020 is referred as a watershed movement in the Indian history by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The bill presents a layout that is for the benefit of the agricultural sector. Despite relating it for the welfare of the farmer, it was received as a negative response in form of nationwide protest by the farmer in India, especially Punjab, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh, etc. It was necessary to discuss the bill with the farmer, opposition, and state government before passing the bills. It would then not create the misconceptions about the bill. Secondly, the farmers' fear of the minimum support price MSP for the product would end. The price of the good would be negligible in the market if there is no MSP, and therefore the farmers will have to sell their product at loss. The MSP was the greater benefit to the farmer. Farmers fear that the entry of the private parties' investment would lead to the supremacy to the cooperators in the agriculture sector would exploit the small farmers. Therefore, it can be said that the Farm Bill is not justifying as must be the discussion before being passed and becoming a law in the nation. There is a something frequently asked question you must have know about these questions can be asked in anywhere, quiz, Olympiad, or something else. You should keep eye on this. When was question first? When was the ordinance issued by the as issue for the Farm Bill 2020? The ordination for the Farm Bill was issued by 5 June 2020. Second, answer was when was the Farm Bill enacted by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? The bill has been enacted by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on 17 and 20 September 2020. What is meant by APMC? It stands as Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee or mandis set by the government for the farmers. Why are the farmers all over India protesting? The farmers of India are protesting against nation-passed farmer bill. What is MSP? It stands for a minimum support price, and it is a price stated by the government to save the farmers against by a fall price of agricultural produce. How many crops price are decided by MSP? Minimum support price. Answer: the minimum support price decide rate of 23 crops in India. Thank you. Please share my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.